Welcome back to my channel. I'm Angelique, and today I wasn't really occasionally planning on making a video, but I got my package early, and since it's a new year, 2018, we made it this far. Just kidding. I thought I'll just do an unboxing of the new makeup I have for this year of 2018. Sponsored by my sister. Thank you for this birthday gift. I ordered it before New Year's, but it didn't come till today, like tonight, when it came home like 20 minutes ago. So here it is. So I have 5 products that I got from Sephora. So the first one I wanted to show you guys is probably the birthday gift they give you on your birthday if you have an account like a Beauty Insider, Rouge, VIB, whatever. And I'm really excited because I love Tarte so much. So yeah. Okay, so I believe it came with a, I don't know what that was. It looks like a liquid lipstick. Okay, so it's a creamy matte lipstick, and then this is a 12-hour wear blush, clay blush. Okay, this is called Party. It's very light. Like, will I be able to use this? Will it show up on my skin? I don't know. And then this is the lipstick. I don't know if it'll show up in my skin. This is pretty light. I might end up just giving this to my sister. TBH. The lipstick smells really good. Okay, so it's this really pretty shade. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's really pretty. I promise. So pretty. And then for the splash, let me just see. Okay. So this blush, you guys can't really see it. It's right here. Wait, it's right over here. I can't really see that even in front of me. But yeah, so you get that for your birthday from 2017. So I don't think they're gonna be doing this year anymore. So yeah, this was a free gift that I chose to get for free. This is the Sephora Mineral Cellular Cleansing Milk. This is coconut water. So it's like to clean your face with, but it's coconut milk. If that makes any sense. Whoa, it smells really good. Wow, it's really strong. I'm gonna try to use this tonight to clean this all off. I'm excited to use this. This smells really good. So this is 3.8 fluid ounces, and this was on sale, so I gotta get to all of this. Okay, so the next product I'm really excited about is this. I've been wanting this for the longest time, and the Sephora's I went to, they're always sold out of this because Sephora does carry ColourPop in store, but they're always sold out, and I'm really happy to have this. So it comes with a full-size setting spray, and it's this crystal shade, and it's like a yellow gold liquid. And then it comes with 2 more products, as I mentioned. Let me just take them out. So it comes with the liquid highlighter. This is amber. Wow, guys, I am blown away. This is so pretty. Okay, remain thyself, as Terry would say. Okay, and then this is the liquid balm. So all 3 of these, ooh, shade glass. All 3 of these products are made with real amber gemstones, I believe, because this is the, not gemstones, real amber crystals, because they have a whole crystal line on ColourPop's website. They have like amethyst and like those other gemstones. I have no idea what they're called. I forgot. I only know amber and amethyst. So yeah. Oh no, there's quartz, I think. Can I be wrong? I might be wrong. And then the lip balm. Wow. Oh my gosh. What do you smell like? You smell like a mango. So this is the lip balm, and let me see the shade. Wow, okay. A really soft tinted lip balm. I'm really excited because the packaging is so nice. It's really heavy, like a real lipstick lip balm would be. Not like a lipstick would be for a lip balm. In this case, is really cute. Wow. So you get 3 products, and then let me try it. This is the lip balm. It's very faint, as you can see, but I'm pretty sure it has like a natural tint to your lips and it moisturizes. That's all I need. I wasn't really looking for the color to pop on my lips. And then we have the liquid highlighter. So I'm excited about this one. Okay, okay, okay. Whoa, it's like really watery. Wait, is that supposed to happen? Wait, it doesn't look like a highlighter would be, you know? It literally looks like water. Okay, hold on. No, it's just really like that. What the heck? Oh no, I was really looking forward to this liquid highlighter. Oh, it doesn't look nice. Then we have the Amber Mist. Let's go try this out. So check it out. Smells really good. Okay, so the spray. It's not a fine mist. Ooh. Lopes up, Ashley? Okay, like it's not a fine mist. It just like splats in your face. So, oh, there it is. Okay. Okay, yeah, it's still the same. It's not like a fine mist like a Fix Plus would be, or like the Mario Badescu rose water or green tea. It's not like that. It's just like in your face. So yeah, kind of a little bit upset about this set, but I'm not gonna hate it because I love ColourPop so much. But I got the Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer. Oh wow. It's really small. Wow, I thought it would be bigger. And it seems like it's like filled only up to this much because there's nothing here on top. It feels like air. Wow. So, let's see. Let me take off this little tab. Is this clear or it's like a... I'm gonna see if it's like a clear shade or not. This is 1 fluid ounces, by the way, if you're wondering. Okay. So it's just a white cream, and then it turns clear after you blend it in. It's really nice. Ooh, it's really set up. Okay. There's no scent whatsoever. That's really good. Ooh, it's really soft. Ooh, okay. I'm excited to try this. Now, the last product, I believe this is the last product. Yeah. So the last product I want to talk about is the best fall list. This is the Fenty Beauty Valeriana. I don't own any Fenty products, surprisingly. They were really sold out last year because it was such a huge hit. They're sold out of the specific highlighter I wanted, and they were sold out of the specific foundation I had. But they did have the gloss, but I didn't end up getting it because it was like $18 for this little thing. No. I don't wear gloss, so I might as well waited till they restock, but then something came better. You get 2 in 1. So this was $23, but I'm not really complaining because the lip gloss itself was 18 and then the highlighter is like 34, I believe. This is 23 and you get both. Holla, money saver. I don't know. So this is a highlighter on top and then the lip gloss on the bottom. So this is Bomb Baby and this is Kilowatt. Oh wait, no, this set is called Bomb Baby and it has the gloss bomb and the Kilowatt highlighter. And then here's the highlighter. This is in Hustler Baby. This is a Kilowatt. Oh, I'm really excited to try the highlighter. Ooh. Okay, for a small highlighter, you still get a lot of product. Like, oh my gosh, so cute. FB Fenty Beauty. So freaking adorable. Oh. So this is really, really pretty and it seems like it's not that small. So let's try this first impression of Rihanna's highlighter. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Okay. This is the Morphe Y14. And ooh. Okay. Okay, there's not that much fallout. I was just like trying to dip it. Let's use this little mirror. Not this one, this is the back side. This side. Oh my gosh. Okay, Rihanna. Okay. This is so pretty. This is life-changing from my highlighter game. I'm not exaggerating, guys. I'm just like really surprised. Really pretty. So from my perspective, I'm seeing like a yellow tone of a highlighter. It's really pretty. Let me zoom you guys out. Ooh, zooming in. So this is a highlighter on my nose too. I really like it. It's really pretty. Ooh. I mean, while I'm at it, might as well put a little bit of gloss bomb. And then it smells like Kool-Aid, like the red flavor one. I don't know, I'm really confused, but it smells really nice. And it's not a sticky lip gloss. It's just like the right amount of sticky lip gloss it is. I don't know. But yeah guys, if you have made it this far, thank you so much for watching me unbox my little late birthday present gifts from my sister. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you haven't already, you can guys watch the rest of my Vlogmas if you didn't watch it last year. And I will be making more videos to come your way. Happy 2018. Make this year yours. It's yours if you say it's yours. And it's great to do a mood board because I've been seeing a lot of people make mood boards this year. And you know what? I'm just going to make one in my mind because I have no time to Photoshop stuff for myself. Yeah. See you guys in the next one. Oh. See you guys in the next one. Bye.